Let's make rigid body simulations in Blender. Add a plane to your scene and scale it up. Extrude it in edit mode to give it some thickness. Then in the physics properties, activate rigid body. If you hit play now, the plane will fall down. So set it to passive so that it doesn't move. You can also set the collision shape to mesh. Now add a sphere and move it up in the z-axis. Make it an active rigid body and give it a mass of 0.2 kg. You can check the dynamic box if you want it to affect the simulation, and the animated box if you want to animate your rigid body object. In the surface response, I reduce the friction and increase the bounciness of the sphere. If it doesn't react properly, you can change the friction and bounciness of the plane as well. That's how you can set up simple simulations. You can also make different types of simulations. For example, model a domino, set it as a rigid body object, duplicate it a bunch of times, check the dynamic box, and rotate one domino slightly and set a keyframe for it. Also set a keyframe for the animated at frame 0 and turn it off and set a keyframe at frame 1 so that the physics takes over. And that's how you can make dominoes. Or you can model a simple ramp, set it as a passive rigid body object and make your ball roll over it. Try making some rigid body simulations now. Follow and subscribe for more tips every week.